Hello, and welcome to Art with Miss Michelle. Today we're going to make a collage color wheel. So for this project, you're going to need a magazine. Any magazine will work as long as it's not black and white. You're going to need to find some colors in here, so the more colorful, the better. And this color wheel blank template. And then you're going to need a glue stick and some scissors. A lot of you have probably made color wheels with me or not with me before. So usually when we do this, we either mix paint or colored pencil to get our colors. This time we're going to do it a little bit differently. I am going to find my colors in here and cut them up and glue them onto my paper. So I'll start with red. And I want to try to find the truest red that I can. So this fire extinguisher looks pretty red. And I can find a few different things to use. Here's a little red strip, and what I can do is just piece these together like a collage and glue them into my little red circle here that's labeled. So I'll make sure to cut out any other colors, like there's this little black stripe in the middle here. I'll get rid of that. And these aren't exactly the same red, but that's okay. They're both pretty good examples of the color red, I think, so that'll be good. So I'm just going to keep flipping through, and hopefully I'll have enough pieces. If I don't, I can just keep looking. I'm not very far into this, and I've already found several examples. So I'm just going to glue these in here, and if they overlap a little bit, or if they stick out a little bit, that's totally fine. Okay, so now I'm just going to, first I'm going to do the primary colors. So red, yellow, and blue, the ones that are labeled, are the primary colors. So what that means is we will always have to start with these colors. So if we were painting, we would not be able to mix any colors together and make the primary colors, but we can mix the primary colors together to make all the other colors. And when I'm looking for these, I want to try to find the truest colors. I think I may have already mentioned that, but I want to get like a really true blue, not like a dark navy blue or something like that, and the truest yellow for my color wheel here. And it might be fun to find some different textures. So like this hat here or this scarf look pretty yellow, but they're not just a flat color. So I'm going to use some of these. And these circles aren't very big, so you probably won't need too much of each color. Okay, so now I'm going to move on to my secondary colors. So the secondary colors, I'm going to skip one, and I'm going to put my secondary colors in the middle here. So if I mix red and blue, that will make the color purple. So I could label this if I need to, purple, or I could put a P there. And then in the middle down here, I'm going to do what I get when I mix yellow and blue, which is green. And then in this middle one, if I mix red and yellow, it makes the color orange. So I'm gonna put my orange there. And I think I saw some cool orange stuff in here. I'm sure green is usually a pretty easy color to find. So I'll have to keep a lookout for some purple. And this is a little bit light, so I'm just gonna try to find, like I said, the truest colors. And if you want to look for a few different colors at the same time while you're flipping through, that might be easier than just trying to go through and just find one color at a time, since you'll probably find different colors as you're looking. Okay, so this is starting to look pretty cool. I really like the different textures that I have. It's a little bit more interesting than just having solid colors. And I didn't quite fill this in, so I'm just going to keep looking for more purples, but I'm going to start looking for some other colors too. So you might be wondering what is going to go in these in-between circles. So these are going to be what's called the tertiary colors. So this is the third set of colors. So I'm going to imagine if I mixed blue and green together, I'd get kind of a bluish green color. So it would be kind of in the middle, and the same is going to go in between each one. So this would be more of a yellow green. So it might be a little bit lighter and more yellowish. So if you were to see this color, you might have a hard time determining if it was yellow or green because it's both. And then this is going to be yellow orange, so it'll be a lighter orange, and then this will be red orange, so it's going to be a more rich, dark, reddish orange, and then red violet and blue violet. So you can just keep a lookout, and if you're having a hard time finding these colors, if you can't find a picture with exactly those colors, what you can do is put some green pieces and blue pieces together. But I think my magazine is pretty colorful. I think I actually already found some of those colors, so I'm just gonna see what I can find and add them into my little in-between circles. And this is just kind of a fun collage color wheel project. It's a little bit different than color wheels we've done in the past. It's a little bit easier, I think, than sending a bunch of paint home, since we're all at home right now. And I think it's pretty fun to switch it up a little bit. So I hope you like this project. Thanks for watching my video, and happy color collaging.